everybody to Mishler.
Yay!
More. This is,
Meyer.
yeah. All right. How are you all doing? Yeah. If you cannot understand what I'm saying, say I cannot understand. 1, 2, 3. Oh, very good. Very good. If you can understand what I'm saying, say, I can understand you perfectly. I can understand you perfectly. Awesome, awesome. Beautiful days in Tallinn, aren't they? Yes. Is it always this nice? Yes. Oh, very good. Awesome. We would love a little community, so to get to know each other a little bit better. And for that, we need to fill up those empty spaces between the people, because we want people to connect, because that's what improv is. So if you could stand up, everybody, and if you have stuff on your chair, pick them up as well, and move to the middle until there's no spaces anymore. Yeah, it might be a little bit scary sitting next to people.
If you find you're sitting on the same chair as someone, you've gone too far, so go back one chair.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
That's the spirit.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Cool. Yeah. Before we start, we'd like to introduce you to two of our extra cast members tonight. We have on the clarinet, we have Bart. And I hope I pronounce this correctly, because I'm very bad at names. On the piano, keyboard, synthesizer, we have Indrek, yeah. And we're gonna perform for you a time travel show. Wow. So if we're gone, don't worry. We've traveled back in time and performed here for an empty seat. Before we start, we would like to chat to you a little bit about what you think are elements in a time travel. So think about, what would I like to see? What do I think is a typical time travel movie? And think of the elements. So yell out some elements. Parallel universes. What?
A blue box.
A blue box.
Blue box.
Parts in molecular deconstruction.
Losing parts in molecular deconstruction. What?
Really complicated, convoluted explanation.
Yes, yeah, what he did. Yeah.
Meeting yourself.
Meeting yourself.
Meeting your mom.
Meeting your mom,
There
yeah.
was another one back here.
Not where, when.
Not where, when.
When.
Yes.
Paradoxes.
Playing the lottery? Of course, yes.
Playing the lottery. And we have paradoxes.
Techno bubble?
Using really complicated technical words.
Yep.
Ah, yes, like ghosts.
Opening the...
bank deposit account.
Opening.
Very specific.
That's just handy. And you put €1 in, and then it just accumulates over time to be a lot of money.
Cool.
Dinosaurs.
What?
I think it's just...
Dinosaurs.
Right.
That's enough, eh? That's enough.
That's more than a show's worth.
Yeah, so,
All of those things are going to come back behind.
yeah. And all we need now to begin is to have an object that you think people could fit in, like a refrigerator.
A blue box.
A blue box.
Blue box.
Is that Dr. Who? Or is that
That's Dr.
Yeah,
Who.
that's kind of that's an existing.
Yeah, so we
object.
want something an elevator.
British post box.
Yeah, a British. Well, we heard. I heard elevator.
Elevators.
Elevator.
Elevator.
Yeah.
Elevator.
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 Right.
Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy. Return to the present.
Hey, Gerald.
Hi, Sarah. Going to your floor. All right. Of course you're going to your floor.
Same old every day, huh?
Yeah.
Me on the 14th and you on the 15th.
Yeah. I used to be on the 14th. I got promoted.
Yeah, I was really happy for you.
Thanks.
You deserved it. You totally did.
I
You really did.
think it's a good job for me. I mean, maybe there might be another post opening up. Maybe you can move up to the 15th floor as well.
I don't know. Well, I think you really deserved it, Gerald.
Thank you. Mr. Steam?
Mr. Steam? Nancy.
I know.
From the 14th?
Yep.
Sure is a beautiful day today, huh? Yeah, you know, you can see the view from the 14th floor. Really good. Not as good as the 15th, but, you know, it's still pretty good.
Must be great on the top floor.
Yeah.
Joe, isn't it, Joe? You're on the 15th floor, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Very good. I love people on the 15th floor.
What about the 14th? I used to be on the 14th floor.
I didn't like you then. I like people on the 15th floor because the 15th floor, that's where stuff happens.
You know, the building used to be just 14 floors, and then they
They extended it.
extended it.
Oh. You know why they extended it? Because
Yeah.
nothing ever
What
happened.
there.
No.
Yeah.
If only stuff would have happened on the 14th floor, there wouldn't have been a need to extend it to the 15th floor. Huh. Huh. This is my floor.
Oh, I missed my floor. Here you go. Yeah, it's just the cheap kind. I couldn't afford the expensive kind. It's just Whiskas. It's all I can afford. Shut up! Shut up! Just eat your food. Don't you worry. I'm gonna get up to the 15th floor. Don't you? God, even my cat doesn't believe in me. Are eating too much Whiskas. Brandy, Tracy, you guys are going on a diet tomorrow. Yeah, Mommy's putting you on a diet. Things are gonna change tomorrow. Because I'm gonna change things. I'm tired of this dead-end job and apartment and loading this with 2 cats. Hey, Oh, are you having another cat? Not another fur ball. You're disgusting. Ah. Get out. Go through the cat door. Squeeze through. Can't believe that's your brother. Okay, turn on the old PC. And, right, looking for new jobs. Let's see, receptionist. More receptionists. God, everything needs more education, more talent than I have. I just don't have enough talent.
Ding dong.
Who could that be? Probably another bill collector. Hey!
Hello.
Hey! Yeah,
Some
sorry
fur
about
ball
that.
there, yeah.
I know.
Ooh, oh.
Yeah,
Hey, nice cat, nice cat.
Can I get you a beer?
Yes, please, yeah. I just heard through the door what you were saying about you having no talent.
Yeah? You were heard through the door?
Yeah, the cat flap was still open.
It's broken. Here. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So,
So I have no talent.
Yeah.
You know, I'm stuck on the 14th floor. You know my story.
I know
You've
your
seen it.
story. It all happened in 1986, where you started your job on the 9th floor.
Do you have to remind me? That was, you know, I started in 1986. I was so full of hope and you know, right out of school, and I just knew. I knew that I was going to make it up to the 14th floor because there were only 14 floors there.
You were ambitious.
Yeah.
You were so ambitious, and then it happened.
You said you wouldn't talk about it anymore.
No.
Promise me you wouldn't talk about it anymore. Don't talk about it anymore. I don't want to talk about it. You're my best friend. You weren't even born.
You had a different cat then.
I know.
A much nicer cat as well.
I know. This one gets a little angry if you scratch him too hard.
Oh, I won't touch him then.
Look, Zachary, what do you want me to do? I'm looking for new jobs. I just feel like I'm stuck in a rut and I don't know what to do about it.
Well, if only you could travel to the past
That's ridiculous.
and do a thing about whatever happened there. We shouldn't
Don't talk about it.
Well,
It's not to be...
talked about. I know.
Zachary, there's no such thing as time travel. There's no such thing. Just because you're a psycho quantum physicist doesn't mean that there's anything to it.
Thank you for mocking my profession, but I know
That's what everyone says.
that you can use a wormhole to travel through time.
Wormholes.
Yeah, did you know that there's something called space-time continuum? It just
Yes, I know.
got proven. It just got proven.
Well, that's
Somebody won the Nobel Prize for proving that there's such a thing as space-time continuum. That's one element. It makes space-time a four-dimensional object that you can bend to your will if you have enough power, and you can fold it and you can travel through that little hole and go back or forth in time.
Well, that's great. Where am I going to find a wormhole?
Try sand.
Sand?
It's wormholes. No.
I thought you were a psycho.
No, I am. I can't.
Scientist.
I couldn't tell you about it, but I'm working on this project.
Tell me.
It's called Exponential Elevator.
And people you wonder where you get your nickname, Psycho Quantum Scientist. You wonder. Exponential elevator. That's ridiculous.
No, you
That's
just don't get it. You just don't get
I
it
just don't
because
get it.
you have no talent. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't want to bring that up. I didn't want to bring that up, especially not since what happened to you in 1986.
Alright. Fine, well, you know what? I work in a really tall building. It has 16 floors. I'm stuck at 14. There's people above me in 15. There's people above me in 16.
Does it have an elevator?
Yes.
Well, if we can make sure that the elevator stops at the 13.32 floor.
It doesn't stop at 13.323.
But if we could,
Then we could create a wormhole,
yes,
and I can go back in time
yes,
and change
yes,
what happened to me in 1986.
yes.
Zachary,
Yeah.
you better not be bullshitting me.
Would I ever bullshit you? I know you mock me, but I can do it. I can do it. I've been working on this for more than 40 years. It's all in my head.
Oh. Okay. Tell you what. I'm just gonna finish the beer and go to bed, and I'll be at work tomorrow. So why don't you give me a call and we'll talk about it tomorrow, okay?
All right.
Let's just talk about it tomorrow.
All right, I'll
Okay.
just...
Okay. Watch out for the cat door.
Oh, yeah.
Psycho. Psycho. Psycho.
Morning, miss. I'm just fixing this elevator. It won't go up just yet. I'm just gonna do some little adjustments. I'm gonna leave this open.
You can't leave it open. What are you talking about?
Just gonna leave it open.
No. You never leave an elevator door open.
I'm leaving the panel open and the door open. It's lunchtime.
Tyler.
So it's just the exposed things behind the buttons. That's all it is.
Tyler, remember, you're not allowed to leave a door open. That's the first rule of elevator reparation.
Is this elevator out of order?
Yeah.
Again?
We do our best. We come here all the time. You guys use it too much.
We'll just put a sign on it that says out of order.
We have one
People
elevator.
will know.
People aren't gonna know. They're gonna fall right through it. It's gonna be on your head.
They're gonna fall on his head?
No, the guilt.
Well, if I'm working below, they might. But we won't. We're going to be around the corner having a sandwich.
All right, let's go have a sandwich.
I don't
then.
think you should leave it open. Oh, well.
I'm going to put a sign on it.
I don't think you should leave it
I'm going
open.
to put a sign on it with some blue tack. You guys don't understand anything. Blue tack is physics. Holds things up. It's basic physics. See? There's a sign up there.
Oh, great. The elevator's out of order again.
If you could only make it stop at the 13.32th floor, you could travel back in time.
There's the sign, idiot. Well, I don't know. Maybe if I just, if I push, there's a button for the 13th. If I press it at the same time as I press the button for the 14th, and then let go of the 13 right at the same time, it's moving. Oh shit, it's moving. It's moving. Oh shit. Oh, and now it stopped. It stopped. Where am I? 13.23. 13.23. Still in the elevator. But okay. Where am I? This is. I don't recognize. What? No, wait. Oh my God. There's all 14 floors. What happened? No. No, nobody uses those anymore. What? Those were invented in 1985. Oh my God, Zachary must be right. I must be in 1986. 1986. I gotta get to the high school. I gotta get to the high school right away. Excuse me, do you know, are the cheerleading auditions today? The cheerleading auditions.
Well, yeah, they are. At the high school, you mean?
Yeah,
Are you competitive?
maybe. Someone is, yeah.
Okay. Well, it's just down the road and turn left.
Okay, it's a silly question. It's 1986, right?
Yep.
October 20th?
Yep.
Okay.
Look,
Thank
I
you.
got a newspaper
No,
here.
that's okay, never mind, that's okay, thank you.
What was that girl all about?
Wanted to know what the date was.
Oh, heavy.
Yeah. Fortunately, I got my newspaper, otherwise I wouldn't know.
You know that it's October 20th, 1986.
I know that because I got my newspaper.
How else would you know?
I guess if I was at home, I have a calendar.
Yeah.
That's on the wall. I can't bring that.
No. If only you could make a calendar small enough to fit in your pocket.
Don't talk stupid.
Oh well.
Okay, line up, girls. It's audition time.
I'm really nervous.
Oh, yeah, me too.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it.
You can.
Oh, yeah, you too. You're
Oh,
so
you've
good.
got the most talent of all of us.
Oh, no, I don't think I have any talent.
You don't?
No.
She doesn't think she's got
No,
any
no, I
talent?
mean,
Oh.
I was just saying that to be.
Do you know that being a cheerleader is 95% believing in yourself?
Yeah, as I read the. Yeah.
And what's the other 5%?
Talent.
So you don't have to sweat at all.
Oh, sweating's involved when you actually do it. But to be able to do it, you need talent and a belief in yourself. You don't believe in yourself.
I do believe in myself. I do. No.
It doesn't sound like
I
it.
don't believe in myself.
No, I know you have the talent.
I practiced.
She doesn't believe in
I just
herself.
don't remember. I just don't remember the routine.
Well, I'm not going to waste my time auditioning you if you don't even know the routine.
You're not even gonna let me try out?
Are you going to disappoint me?
Probably. Shall I do it first and show her how it's done?
Let's see how it's done. It'll make the humiliation more humiliating.
I'll just get my pom-poms.
See, Daphne is a girl who's going to go very far.
Music.
Oh, she's so sure of herself.
Yes. See? I think we can have the up-tempo music. Really show what it's. Very good. See?
Yeah, that was really good.
The jury agrees.
No, I'm not even gonna try.
be able to do it tomorrow. Huh? It's... What's that?
Hi. Oh, hi. Hi, I'm coming here.
Who are you?
Don't you recognize me?
Well, you're old.
No, I'm just sure of myself.
How?
I've got talent. I've got lots of talent, yeah.
Did you just go back there and become confident and...
In such a way that there's...
It's true. Confidence makes you look older.
Yeah, I have. I grabbed myself a cannon.
30 years?
That's a lot of confidence. She might be able to beat you.
No.
It's a proven fact. It's a scientific theory.
Music. Up tempo, please.
Oh? What? That's unconventional.
I'm gonna throw a batter.
She caught it in her mouth. What?
Hire me, take me for the team.
Of course. I don't need you.
What?
We have a pom-pom champion. You
Bye,
can audition
bye.
next year.
Bye-bye, Daphne.
Oh, man. People that are old get all the jobs.
She's not old. She's just very confident.
That's just so great.
I can see your whole future. It's all set out. You're pom-pom queen now. You'll be pom-pom coach all the way up until president of the Pom-Pom Society.
I love it here. I'm never going to return to the present.
There's quantum physics and oh wow, it must be possible. Oh, if only we had buildings that were high enough. Oh, it's not possible. Physically, it's not possible to build anything higher than 14 feet. Oh, if only we had a substance that could make buildings higher than 14 floors. Oh no, how would you get there? Oh. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
You're Professor Zachary
Yeah, I am.
McGibbons. Hi.
Who are you?
Well, my name is Nancy, and well, I just wanted to stop by and say hi.
Wow. I never had these old women.
I'm not old. I'm confident.
Oh.
Hey, I'm doing a project down at the high school. I'm a student because I'm a student, and
Sure you are.
I was wondering if it was just possible if somebody were to go back in time and then never return,
Huh?
what would happen?
No, you can't. What?
What would happen to the original person?
Theoretical speaking?
Yes, oh, completely theoretically speaking.
All right. Well, there are two options. Option number one: the universe will explode.
Oh,
Yeah.
and option number two?
Option number two: the person that would travel back in time would cease to exist.
But why would that be? Because the person who went back in time doesn't.
Don't ask too many questions. Who is the expert in this subject?
You are.
Yes.
So I've heard.
Yes. So is it the reason for me to... Wait. Are you from the future?
No, of course I'm not from the future. How can I be from the future? That's crazy. That's
Because
crazy.
I know somebody that looks just like you, but just less experienced.
I'm her mother. And I'm asking.
You're from the future!
No, I'm not from the future.
You see? You would only say you're not from the future if you were from the future.
All right, Zachary, I'm from the future.
What?
Yes.
Did I invent something?
Yes!
What?
You invented a wormhole that folded in two and you have to go to an elevator at 13.23. I don't understand.
I don't think people can invent wormholes. They are there or they aren't.
No, they've
It's
been
not proven yet.
They've been proven. You proved it.
I proved it?
You proved it.
I did?
Something to do with worms and sand. I don't.
That sounds very unlikely.
Look,
So,
Zachary,
just to prove.
You're my.
Just to prove that you're from the future, who is president of the United States in November 2016?
Donald Trump.
What?
No, I know. I mean, but, I know. Well, I mean, Ronald Reagan is president now, right? Who would have believed that 30 years ago?
Nobody.
Right.
All right, I believe you.
You're my best friend.
I am?
Yeah, you
Oh.
are. You're always coming by. You're always giving me support. You're always coming up with new ideas. You're my best friend.
Oh.
And the thing is, you encouraged me to come here, and you know what? It's the best thing ever. I'm so much better than I used to be. I'm better. I want to stay here. I don't want to go back.
No, you can't, because you will cease to exist. Or option number one.
You don't know that. How can you know that? What
Do
is
you
it?
see your foot?
Oh my God.
It's disappearing.
Oh my God. You're right.
It's disappearing from existence.
Oh my God.
You do have to go back. You see, I was right.
How do I get back?
We have to have an elevator going to the 13th point.
2, 3 floors.
Oh wow, you know that. Isn't it 3-2? No.
No, it's 2, 3. I'm sure.
It's one of those
I've repeated
combinations.
it several times now.
All right, awesome. All right, we'll have to. But there's no building here high enough.
Oh, help me! Help me!
We'll have to build.
I'm fading! I'm fading!
We have to build something. Could you just hang on for a bit longer? Maybe I can hire an architect to raise the roof.
It's already 14 floors!
What? Oh, it's already 14 floors. Oh, that is high enough. That's no problem. Let's go. Oh yeah. It is 14 floors. I never knew that.
I'm down to a torso here. Can you help me out? I'm down to my torso.
Oh, very good, very good. It's beautiful. 14th floor. Who would have ever guessed that the building could be that high?
Please, Zachary.
Huh?
Can you help me?
Of course, yes. We have to pry open this elevator. It's brand new. I did it! Woo. Oh, wow! Whoop, whoop, whoop. I'll do it again. I did it again.
Can you give me a hand?
Where are you?
Can't you see me anymore?
Oh, you're very vague. I'll just roll you in.
Okay.
Oh, maybe I should come too.
Please come.
No,
You
I can't.
come.
I can't.
Then you'll fade in the other direction.
Yeah, I'll fade in the other direction. Yeah. Oh. Whoa! Say hi to me when you're there.
I can't reach the buttons. I can't reach the buttons. Oh.
Man. Oh. Do you see this twig
Yes.
that I got here from the office plant?
Yes.
Catch it.
Okay.
All right.
Got it!
You got it. You got it. Oh, very good. Very good. I don't have to get in there. Very good. I'll just stay here. Oh man, I told you you should have let the elevator open.
Fell on my...
There's a sign here, look.
What do you got in your pocket? Is that a cell phone? Is that a smartphone?
Yeah,
Oh, thank God.
It's a-
Oh, thank God. It's
Galaxy
a-
S7 Note.
Oh,
Just got it. Gonna go and charge it up.
Why did you go into the elevator? What?
I was going to work. I was going to work. Hey.
Hi.
Hey.
You look different.
Thanks. Yeah, I'm
Is
going.
this
Is it
elevator
working
working?
now?
Yeah, you fixed it.
Let's go in. Let's go.
Hey,
Come on.
whoa!
I'm going to the 15th floor.
No, oh, no, no,
Yeah.
'cause you're,
Yeah, 15th floor.
but-
Just wait. You just wait. Because I got the confidence.
Yeah,
I got
you're
the
gonna-
confidence.
Wow, you're really different this morning.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I mean, you're on the floor. I mean, oh,
We're all going to the 15th floor today, Mr. Steen. Him and me and you. You know why? Because I know about wormholes.
What?
Yeah. I found out all sorts of interesting things, and I'm going to do some research on it, and it's going to be so useful to this company that you won't be able to do without me. You need me on the 15th floor, Mr. Steen.
it's true that there are a lot of theories that wormholes can be applied to modern economics.
What?
So is it yes, or is it no?
Well,
Make it a yes.
okay.
Here we are, at the 15th floor.
I really like the new you. You really remind me of President Clinton. She's great.
Okay, kitties. Come here, kitties. We've got the gourmet stuff for you today. Gourmet stuff for you today. Mommy got it. Here you guys go. Here you guys go. We're having some champagne to celebrate tonight. Champagne for my kitties and me.
Hi.
Coming in. So, it's nice to see you again.
Yeah, it's nice to see you too.
I've got some champagne.
Oh,
I took your advice.
you look confident.
Thanks.
I don't mean old.
I don't feel old. I'm my good age.
Oh,
I'm my age. I'm me. And I'm better than I ever used to be.
You're better than you ever used to be?
Yeah.
Wow, you glow so much. I feel like I'm just drawn to you. Let me just get a tic-tac.
It's all thanks to you, Zachary.
May I?
Please. I promise you, I'm gonna stay here. I'll never have to return to the present.
Woo!